Alright, Crystal's on her phone.
I'm about to take a picture.
We got Dr. Limansky setting up. Look at that rig. Look at that sunrise. I'd hit the ground running.
Picking Robert up.
You know, they are afraid of putting on too much muscle by lifting weights. In reality, you are actually losing muscle.
Cardio. You're going to lose more body fat with resistance training than you will with cardio. And then you also stretch my legs. I'll just do like a basic.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, my toes.
Let me show you mine. Hold on. Wait, do that again? Here's me.
Well, you're taller than me.
No, it's not about being taller. It's about I'm feeling it in my hamstrings.
Yeah, so I'll do that, and then I like to, when you're breathing is really important. You want to basically, a lot of people say don't hold your breath. I typically have a belt on.
Yeah, right.
And then I'll take a deep breath in, deep breath out, deep breath in, almost hyperventilate, just force more oxygen into the blood. And then I'll tense my whole core. You want to keep your core tight up against that belt. So, and then I'll go low. That's basically the form there. So I'll go low, and then you don't want to have your knees come out far above your toes or far in front of your toes. You want to stay as vertical and upright as possible. And you want to just feel like
I know. The site where we focus on all the things biohacking. Can you go sit on one of those just so I can Yeah, no, that's fine. Thank you, though. And then we'll talk about. Hey guys, Dr. John Limansky here from Biohack MD. I'm here with my good friend Robert Sykes from Keto Savage. What's going on, Robert?
how's it going, man? Pleasure as always.
Yeah, likewise. So we're here in the Caribbean, where behind us is Honduras, and we're going to be talking a little bit about you, your story, and then we'll hit the gym a little bit later and show people some moves. So for people who don't know, we can do keto, we can have a healthy, lifestyle, we can bulk up, and we can cut. And all we're doing is just manipulating which part of the diet.
Exactly.
Yeah. So maybe you can talk about. Recently, you did a competition where you tested this theory. Can I do keto and still win? And people made fun of you, right?
Yeah, nobody believed me.
Yeah, they said, who's this crazy guy? Like, what is he talking about? He doesn't know what he's talking about. So maybe you can talk about kind of what you did and
What's going on? Dr. Limansky, Robert Sykes, Crystal on the camera. Can't beat it.
Here with Robert. So Robert is with Keto Savage, as I mentioned earlier, but he and his fiancee Crystal have been working on a product that we want to talk about. So this is called the Keto Brick.
Yes, indeed.
And Robert was nice enough to bring me one on the ship, so I do thank you for that, because they are on back order.
So with this, I figure it'd be able to appeal to the largest audience and just truly tap in on the optimization of a ketogenic meal replacement bar in a healthy, truly healthy fashion.
Okay. This is what it looks like. So normally,
You're not gonna break it up.
all right, I'm just gonna bite into it. That's really good.
You like it?
That's really good.
You can tell me if you don't like it on camera.
Yeah. See how big this guy is? I can't tell him I don't like it. No. It's really good.
All right, y'all. Great little workout session. We just talked. We're gonna work out right now, actually, and then a little video documentary with Dr. John Limansky. Again, super cool, super knowledgeable guy. Definitely check out all of his content. Y'all want to know the power of a woman? I just lost my phone. I got super pissed off because here we are landed on the land, and I want to go outside and check it out. Can't find my phone. Looking all over the gym, looking all over the ship for my phone. Getting mad, hitting things. Crystal's like, let's look at our room one more time. And I'm like, no, let's just break something. And she walks over to the bag, pulls out the phone instantly. Now she's laughing at me. Alright, let's go check out the island. Alright, y'all, this is our accent to go tackle the unknown. Cranky. Look at that. Got my Solomon shoes on. She's got her trekking outfit on. We got the backpack on. Let's go tackle the wildlife of the unknown. Isn't she a beauty? In hindsight, it probably would have been better to look and explore beforehand to see what options we had available to us, but we're just rolling with it and seeing where the world takes us.
That's right.
Alright, here we are on an island. Pretty nice view, what do you think?
It's very pretty.
I'm digging it so far.
It's
Love it.
Fun. We're about to go ziplining.
Ziplining?
Yep.
This will be our death right here. Alright, y'all, we got this. Got it.
Here, sit down, cross your feet, lean back more, behind you more, like this all the way. You relax all the way, loose, okay?
Barely.
Sit down, sit, cross your feet, This one, give me this one.
Die kommen dann mit mir runter.
Take a video, relax, okay? Take a video, relax. Okay?
Just chilling here.
What do you think so far, babe?
Pretty good. Where'd my glove go? Oh, I got it. Pretty good. It's kind of crazy, and you just try not to look at the things that the zip line's holding on to.
Yeah.
Not a good paparazzi.
Huh?
Not a good paparazzi.
I know, right?
Look, she's Superwoman.
Yeah.
Wonder Woman.
So we just finished ziplining. We're at the zoo right now.
It was so fun.
It was so fun. Let's see what kind of critters we got here.
This is the national bird of my country, alright? This one, the scarlet macaw, they can live around to 70, 80, 90, or 100 years that they can live. Both, yeah, this one is a military macaw. This one can be bigger than this one, right?
Hello.
You can throw around for the pictures.
Hey, look at me. Woo.
Yeah.
Yo le puedo enseñar uno más bonito por acá, acá abajo.
Do like shoulder raises here.
Yeah. Stop it.
¿Nadie más?
Oh. What's up there, big fella?
Aww.
Can I keep him?
No.
I'm just joking. He is a cutie.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, he is like a teddy bear.
Tenemos el tucán tilis. Sí, este es el tucán. Hey, come here. Hey. Look up. Hey. Right here.
You can just hang out all day, it's okay.
Si tienen alguna duda, aquí estoy, no se preocupen. Guys, if you want to take a picture, you just walk around, take a picture of the butterfly.
Alright, Joe, we are on the beach right now. Isn't that right?
That's right.
About to get something to eat. We're hungry. What are you about to eat?
We're about to eat a keto brick. We're gonna have a burger too, but we need to get some extra fat in today.
Keto brick time. Alright, y'all, we got our burgers. We're not gonna eat the fries, obviously.
We're not gonna be the bun either.
We're not gonna eat the bun either. Alright, we got the keto crew right here. We talked to John on Instagram. What's the Instagram name?
Keto all day.
Keto all day. Check him out for sure. Pretty crazy. We're on the same cruise, didn't even know it, and we just met up in a gift shop, so gotta love it.
And then there's that cutie up there.
Say hello. Say hi. Cool. Thanks, guys.
Alright, y'all, we just finished up at Roatan Islands. Got the beat going. Boarding the cruise ship now. We just got a coffee cup. Show them the coffee cup.
It's wrapped. I'll show you guys.
It's wrapped. We'll show you in a little bit. Alright, y'all, back on the grind, working on clients, working on emails. I found the best room for getting work done. Check this out. Card room. So, nobody's in here. I got full-size table, other than that little bitty one in our room, and peace and quiet, comfy chairs, getting work done. Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all, we just got done hashing out some keto brick talk. We got a game plan. Crystal and I are headed off to the Windjammer, which is a buffet, to eat dinner. Let's see what we find. I need 50 grams of protein and 100 grams of fat. So it's gonna be kind of interesting to find macros that work here, because the ratios are not, it's always higher protein at these buffets, so we'll see what we can find. Alright, so that's what we've got so far. 4 tablespoons of butter. Keto friendly? Look at that sunset, y'all. Alright, what'd you end up getting?
I got a bunch of everything. Asparagus, beef, I got a little bit of fish to try, cheese, and a little bit of peppers.
I got about the same thing. But it's gonna pretty much hit my macros right on the money. One thing I've noticed in this cruise thus far, that meal that I just showed you was probably like 800 or 900 calories. So it's a little harder to track macros because you're not preparing the food yourself. But that meal, I'm tracking everything, was right around 800 or 900 calories. I'm looking at some of the plates that these people are having, and they're exceeding like 2,000, 3,000 calories in a plate, no problem. And that's just one meal. So one overarching theme here is that these people eat way too much food, more so than they need. It's crazy. Like, I don't want to talk bad about anybody by any means. You know, they're here enjoying themselves. I'm not anybody to judge, but as a general rule, or as a general consensus, people eat way more food than their body needs. I mean, duh, right? But look at the food on your plate. Do you actually need that much? And then the sad thing is, a lot of them will throw away half the food that's on their plate, which is just wasteful. I am a big believer in not wasting food. So that's my little rant, I guess, for the moment. Eat what you need and don't eat more than what you need. Alright, y'all, we just got done doing another little speaking session at the conference room, debating protein ratios. Too much, too little, how much is necessary. Really good little session. A lot of panel of doctors. I even spoke a little bit. Really enjoyed it. Really good Q&A. Now we're gonna work on emails. The rest of the night is us gonna be working on emails. So rather than videotaping us working on emails, I'm just gonna cut today's vlog there. Tomorrow I'm not sure where we're going. The next day I think is Cozumel. Tomorrow's a mystery. I don't know. We're going on land somewhere though. So we'll explore, document that, give you an inside scoop, inside peek on that. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow.